Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan, a city where time seems to move a little slower, a city where tradition is woven into the very fabric of everyday life. It's a city of temples and gardens, of geishas and artisans, and of course of incredible food. Among the culinary treasures that Kyoto offers, traditional Japanese candies known as Wagashi hold a special place. These delicate and artful sweets are not just treats for the palate but also a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Japan. Kyoto's streets are lined with shops displaying a dazzling array of colorful candies. These shops are more than just places to buy sweets. They are windows into a world of artistry and tradition that has been passed down through generations. The vibrant colors and intricate designs of Wagashi are simply mesmerizing. From delicate mochi filled with sweet bean paste to intricately shaped candies that resemble flowers and animals, each piece is a miniature work of art. It's no wonder that Wagashi is considered an integral part of Japanese culture, often served during tea ceremonies and special occasions. But the true magic of Wagashi lies not just in its appearance but also in its taste. The delicate sweetness, the subtle flavors, and the unique textures create a sensory experience that is both delightful and unforgettable. To truly understand Kyoto, one must embark on a journey through its sweet delights, a journey that will tantalize the taste buds and leave a lasting impression on the soul. Wagashi, with its rich history and delicate beauty, represents the epitome of Japanese confectionery. But within the world of Wagashi, there exists an even more specialized and mesmerizing art form, Amezaiku. Amezaiku is the ancient Japanese art of candy sculpting, a craft that transforms simple sugar into intricate and breathtaking edible masterpieces. Amezaiku artists, known as Amezaiku-shi, are true masters of their craft. Using only heated sugar syrup, a pair of scissors, and a small spatula, these skilled artisans create intricate sculptures of animals, flowers, and even mythical creatures. It's a mesmerizing spectacle to watch as they work, their hands moving with lightning speed and precision. The molten sugar, heated to just the right temperature, becomes their medium of expression, taking shape under their deft touch. Amezaiku is not just about creating visually stunning pieces, it's also about storytelling. Each candy sculpture often carries a deeper meaning, representing a legend, a folktale, or a symbol of good luck. The artistry and symbolism intertwined in Amezaiku make it a truly captivating and unique form of Japanese cultural expression. The origins of Amezaiku can be traced back to the Heian period, where it was initially performed as a form of street entertainment for the nobility. Over the centuries, this art form evolved, becoming more refined and intricate. Today, Amezaiku is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, with both young and old generations captivated by its mesmerizing beauty and the skill required to create these delicate edible sculptures. The process of creating traditional Japanese candies, particularly the intricate sculptures of Amezaiku, is a testament to the precision and artistry deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. It's a delicate dance between heat, timing, and creativity, transforming simple ingredients into edible masterpieces. The journey begins with the preparation of the candy base, a crucial step that lays the foundation for the entire process. Sugar and water are combined in precise proportions, creating a syrup that is then heated to a specific temperature. Starch syrup, a key ingredient in many Japanese sweets, is often added to lend a unique texture and prevent crystallization. As the syrup heats up, it transforms from a clear liquid into a thick, viscous mass, its color gradually deepening to a rich amber hue. The candy maker constantly monitors the temperature, ensuring it reaches the perfect point for sculpting. Once the syrup is ready, it's poured onto a heat-resistant surface, typically a marble slab or a metal sheet, to cool slightly. The cooling process is crucial, as it allows the syrup to reach a workable consistency. Too hot, and it would be impossible to handle. Too cool, and it would harden prematurely. The candy maker uses their keen eye and years of experience to judge the perfect moment to begin shaping. With gloved hands, they knead and pull the cooling sugar, incorporating air and further developing its elasticity. This step is essential for creating candies that are not only beautiful, but also pleasingly chewy. Section 4. The heart of tradition. Renowned candy shops in Kyoto. Kyoto, with its rich confectionery tradition, is home to numerous candy shops, each with its own unique history, specialties, and loyal following. Stepping into these shops is like stepping back in time, their interiors often adorned with traditional wooden displays and antique candy molds, whispering tales of generations past. One such establishment is Kamiya Yoshinaga, a venerable shop that has been delighting patrons with its exquisite candies for over 2 centuries. Founded in 1803, Kamiya Yoshinaga is renowned for its Kingyo Ame, or goldfish candies. These translucent, vibrantly colored candies, shaped to resemble swimming goldfish, are a testament to the artistry of Amezaiku. Each goldfish is meticulously crafted, its delicate fins and scales seemingly frozen in motion. Another Kyoto institution is Gion Tsujiri, a tea house and confectionery shop famed for its matcha sweets. Matcha, a finely ground green tea powder, is a staple ingredient in Japanese confectionery, and Gion Tsujiri elevates it to an art form. Their matcha candies, from delicate mochi to rich fudgy squares, offer a symphony of flavors and textures, capturing the essence of this beloved ingredient. Wagashi Asobi, meaning playing with wagashi, is a relatively new shop with a modern twist on tradition. Their candies are known for their innovative designs and unique flavor combinations, often incorporating seasonal ingredients and contemporary aesthetics. Wagashi Asobi represents the evolution of Japanese confectionery, while still paying homage to the techniques and artistry of the past. These are just a few examples of the many renowned candy shops that grace Kyoto's streets. Each shop, with its own unique story and specialties, contributes to the city's reputation as a haven for sweet tooths and admirers of traditional Japanese craftsmanship. Exploring these shops is an essential part of experiencing the true essence of Kyoto's culinary heritage. Section 5. A Symphony of Flavors, Exploring Traditional Japanese Candy. The world of traditional Japanese candy is a sensory delight, a symphony of flavors and textures that captivate the palate. From the delicate sweetness of mochi to the refreshing tang of citrus-flavored candies, each bite offers a unique and memorable experience. One of the most popular and beloved Japanese candies is mochi, a soft and chewy confection made from glutinous rice flour. Mochi can be enjoyed in various forms, from simple, bite-sized balls dusted with sweet soybean powder to elaborate creations filled with sweet bean paste, ice cream, or seasonal fruits. The delicate texture of mochi, combined with its subtle sweetness, makes it a versatile and universally appreciated treat. Another staple in Japanese confectionery is yokan, a dense, jelly-like candy made from red bean paste, agar-agar, and sugar. Yokan comes in a variety of flavors and colors, with popular variations including matcha yokan, chestnut yokan, and even yokan with sweet potato or fruit pieces embedded within. The smooth, firm texture of yokan, coupled with its rich, earthy sweetness, makes it a satisfying and indulgent treat. Konpeito, small, colorful sugar candies, are another iconic Japanese sweet treat. These candies, with their distinctive bumpy surface, are made by repeatedly coating sugar crystals with thin layers of colored syrup. Konpeito comes in a rainbow of colors and flavors, from classic citrus and berry to more unique options like matcha, sakura, cherry blossom, and even ramun, Japanese soda. Beyond these classic examples, the world of traditional Japanese candy offers a seemingly endless array of flavors and textures to explore. From delicate flower-shaped candies infused with real flower essences, to chewy, rice-based candies flavored with savory ingredients like seaweed or soy sauce, there's a Japanese candy out there to tantalize every palate.